We redid our master bathroom. I liked the bathroom, but I always just thought that the shower was just really tiny, very boxy, it was very small. And then when I found out that you guys would do everything, basically, take out the tub, redo our vanities, redo the toilets, just everything, just worked out.
The consult was great too. They spelled out everything, explained how everything would go, stayed on the timeline they gave us. It was all, very well. Pretty straightforward. They came in, they explained to me what they were going to do. They were always kind of open and told me what was going on. It was almost like they weren't here, really. It was kind of like, I would be out here working, I'd come back in, and it was just work was done, essentially. It was great.
Everything was very efficient, and when they came here to do the consults, like Paul said before, they were like on time with everything that they stayed on track. Everything was very seamless. In between, when you guys were like emailing us about picking out different items and giving us like a timeline and always confirming that you'd be coming when you said you were going to be coming. And then until the project itself, like he said, everything was very orderly, everything was very clean.
Yeah, that was like the big thing with me is like they left and left everything the way it was. Like there was no, I didn't have to sit there and clean up piles of sawdust and this and that wherever they were working.
We used a shower right away. We started putting everything back into the vanities, trying to set everything up. I haven't had any issues.